Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to backtest. The purpose of backtesting is to build your confidence and psychology to be able to enter the markets and better master your emotions. It's just basically like before any footballer plays on the stadium, most times they have practiced that step over 100 times in their backyard, like in their house field or something. So backtesting is that field where you learn about the market, you practice your strategy over and over again to build confidence, to build your emotions, to build your psychology, so that when you enter the market, you'll be a better trader with better experience. So the software we'll be using for this purpose is called FX Replay. Just go to your browser and search for FX Replay. Click on it and then it should be the first one. Or you can simply go to fxreplay.com. That's also going to lead you to the website. fxreplay.com. So yeah, it's the first one here, and this just leads directly to the website. So you can see make profitable data-driven trading decisions. Then all you have to do is click on get started for free. So once you click on that, it's going to lead you to a page where you can sign up, and you can simply sign up with Google using any of your accounts. The other way you can sign up is simply putting your email address in this bar here. Then clicking the stand and then ticking confirm that I've read and then create your account. Then once you're in, you can log in with the account details you've created. So it's going to show you different options. So pick the first one, which is free. So this gives you access to one indicator, 2 backtesting sessions, and 1 week of data retention. So you can have 1 month's max data, and then 3 times per hour, you can do up to 50 trades, and the lights and the lights. So in a session, you can just have access to only 1 month of data. Right. So just click on start free, which you would need to vary. And that's if you signed up the normal way without using Google. But if you signed up with Google, you wouldn't need to verify, I think. So how would you like to describe your trading experience? Novice, intermediate, experienced, professional? What would you like to just want to gather data? What are you trying to improve? Just pick anyone that suits you. What are you most interested in? A little of everything. It doesn't really matter. Just pick what suits you best. So this is the interface you're going to see. I'm going to explain everything here, right? You will see this pop up. You're ahead of most traders by starting your backtesting journey, which is very true because most traders don't backtest, and a player that doesn't train cannot be on the same level with a player that trains every day, right? Even Messi and Ronaldo, they still train every day before they play on national stadium. So you can either watch this video to get a bit of it, you can either ask them to take a tour or something, and then you can that switch over. So basically, since you're just starting, you don't have any data, but taking you through the time you've invested in backtesting will be showing here, your historical data will be showing here, your win rate, the trades you've taken, and then you see a graph if you're in profits go up, if you're in loss to go down. The trade symbols that you've taken and everything. So on this page, the only thing you need to do is create a session, right? A session is just basically a unique session for yourself. So let's name the session. It can be your first session, right? It can be a superstar. Put the amount you want. Preferably, I would like you to use the amount that you'll be trading with in real time. So if you want to start trading with $100, you can put $100. Or start trading with $10, you can put $10. So it just helps you get used to what you're doing. But if you want to start trading with a prop firm, which allows you to buy a challenge of $10,000 and above, you can put $10,000. Or if you want to buy a challenge of $100,000, you can put $100,000. But put an amount, a realistic amount that you would be trading with, right? So for this story, I'm using $100,000. Then the asset is basically the currency or the pairs. So what exactly are you trading? Are you trading gold? Are you trading which currency? These are just abbreviations of the different currency. And XAUUSD stands for gold. So I'm trading gold, so I'll pick it. Then I'll also be trading GBPUSD. I'll pick it, and then I'll be trading EURUSD. I'll type the name of the paper. Then you can just print out. Just scroll down and get next, chart is not important to leave it. Initial date and end date is how long or how short your backtesting will be. So I'd like it to be last year. I just want to see data of last year. So I'll change this 2025 to 2024. So try to go down a bit and then pick it. So this 2025, I want it to be 2024, and I want to start. What's happening here? 2024, okay. Then I want to start maybe 1st of March, okay. Then I want the end date to be a year from then, which is March 2025. Then March 1st, so I'll just pick March 1st, 2025. Right, make sure that dates are correct. If not, do not let it pass here. Make sure that it's not the same date. Initial and end date cannot be the same. Also, make sure that it's at least 1 month away from each other. So once you're done, you click on create session at the bottom here. Okay. So my session has created has shown below. So if I want to take a trade in this session, using this information that I've put here, I can simply click on it, click on that play, and it takes me to the chart where I can take my session. Right. So before we take a session, this are the sessions that I've created. If I want to create a new session, maybe I want one for my prop firm and I want one for my real account. I can click on plus and also create maybe a session for real accounts. Then I can now be trading $100. Then I can pick the assets I want. Let's put $300. Let's put the assets you want. Let's say list. Okay, you just say what you created the other one. Not much difference. Next, you're going to pick the date like the last time, right? So let's say March 2024 to March. You can pick 2 years from now, right? It's not compulsory. You pick 1 year from now. That's just an example. I can change it to, let's say, 2023. That's where my chart to start from. Anymore. So once you're done, you click on create a section, and in no time, you have As you can see, we have two sessions here. The first session I created, and then the real account session. So anyone I want to trade in, all I have to do is click on plot the play session, and it takes me to the chart. Right. The next thing here is this one, which shows you your session and the account balance. See, the account balance is set $300 is here, and you can simply click on go to chart to go to the chart. The next one is not needed, but it's basically more powerful insights for people that are using premium of the two. Then the third one is checklist. If you want to create a checklist of things you want to look out for before you enter a trade, you simply click on create new checklist. And then the final one that I'm interested in is journal. So all the trades you journal will come out here. So let's go back to the home page, right? Let's go to our sessions and let's play the first session. You're next in line to be successful. Great. So this is the session, right? This is basically where you would take your trade in this backtesting tool. Remember, you have 50 up to 50 trades per month, but then you have just 1 month of data also. You have to be careful per session. So you have like 1 month, 2 months of data in total. So as you can see at the bottom here, my account balance is showing 100,000 here. My realized PNL, unrealized PNL when I start trading will be showing there. All these things are tools you can use for trading, right? And then this is the time frame. So right now I'm in a 1 minute time frame. If I want to check a higher time frame, I'll just click on that 1 minute and it changes to a higher time frame so that I can see the direction of the market. So that's it. We are in a higher time frame now. And based on this, the market is kind of like chubby. Yeah, chubby. But you can see that overall it's an upward trending market. It's going up. And then it's going up right now. So you can also then check our 1 minute, because since we have limited data, it's best to just trade with the 1 minute so that we don't spend 1 month worth of analysis first. So based on this, without much analysis, you can say, okay, let's try and enter a buy trade and see if we'll be in profit. To enter a trade, you click on, you see these 3 lines here. No, you see these 3 lines here. This one that you click on that says long position. Right here, click on it. If you're buying, you pick the long position. If you're selling, you click the short position. Then you take it, you put it where you want it to be on the chart. So for the purpose of this, where exactly do I want to enter? So I want to enter from here at a discount level. Where do I want my stop loss to be? Maybe I just want it to cover a low. Let me check the 5 minutes. So you do your own analysis based on what you're seeing in the chart. Lots of imbalance here. So basically your analysis should be based on what exactly you're seeing in the chart. So let me try and enter from here, and then my take profit is here. I'll try and cover this low. So to know how much I'm risking or gaining in this trade, I just have to click on it, then click on place order, right? Make sure you click on it, then click on place order. So I'll show you the reason why. Okay, showing now. Nice. So click on it and click on place order. So I'm risking $400 to make $1,000. If I'm not satisfied with this, what I have to do is change the amount of risks I want to reach on that trade. But I think I'm good. But maybe I want more profit. Then I'll just increase it to the amount of profit I want. Let's see. Still not enough. I can still increase it to the amount of profit I want to nudge it. Once I'm satisfied with the estimated profit and estimated loss, I can click on save and journal. Ensure that your buy limit, everything is set for you because you use that long position too. But the only thing I need to change is the risk amount. If you're not satisfied with this $400, you can clean it and just back to space and then put what you want, and then automatically it will readjust to what you've set. Then once you're done, click on save and journal, and it will bring you here. I have to do it again. Click on place an order, click on save and journal. It will bring you here. Remember where we talked about journal, right? Click on add a screenshot. It's going to take a screenshot of your charts. This is just you like taking notes of what you did, like a businessman, right? Taking notes of his sale. So you're basically taking a screenshot of your screen. Okay, this is the chart I entered. How would you rate this trade? What's your confidence level? If you have any tags, you can create tags. Note, why did you enter this trade? Okay, I entered because it's an uptrend. I saw an OB, and then why else? I covered significant low. So yeah, once you're done, just save it. It automatically goes to that your journal in the back end. Sometimes you have to do it twice because it might not really work, network or some issue. So right, just click do it 2 times. Okay. Uptrend. So yeah, once you're done, maybe you want to copy it just in case it's misbehaved again. You won't have to type it from again. So yeah, once you show you this screen, it has been saved. Then you can just click away and play your trade to see how it's going to really turn out. Are you going to hit loss? Are you going to hit profit? But with a good risk to reward, it doesn't really matter. You can lose this trade, you can lose the next trade and the ones after. You just need like to win 3 with a 1 to 4 rigs, which is what I'm doing. I'm making $400 to make $2,000. That's like 1 to 5. Yeah, with a 1 to 5 rigs, I just have to be right 2 out of 10 times. Because if I lose 8 times, I'll just lose 1%. But if I win twice, I'll make $4,000. So yeah, let's play it and see. So it has started moving. Let me see if I can increase the time to see what really happens. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love this trade. Okay, that not hit TP, but it tapped me in and it's almost at TP. Let's see if it's going to hit CP. Let's see. Good, TP smashed. Lovely, 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 lovely stuff. TP smashed. So now as you can see, my PLL is showing 4,833. That's how much I made on this particular trade. You can see. Yeah. So I think I entered the trade twice. That's why it's 4,000, but it's supposed to be 2,000. Enter the trade. So you can see my PLL is showing. That's how you enter a trade using this tool. So once you're done, I want to go to the back end to see what really happened, like to see your data. You can click on, I don't know if you can see this arrow, just this arrow here, this tiny arrow. Click on it, you'd see your PLL, but it's not showing now. So let's go back to our data. Let's just go back. Yeah, we're here. So now I've been able to backtest for just 6 minutes. My historical time is 3 days. I checked 3 days data. Basically, like that trade lasted for 3 days. No, you use 4 hours, so it was really fast. But ideally, don't use 4 hours. Use something like 15 minutes or 1 minute or 20 minutes, so that you'll be able to feel the emotions bit by bit as it's going up, it's going up, it's going down, just like in real-time trading. Do you understand? So it shows me the amount of trade taken, the overall win rate, and also my balance would have increased here. I think, let me click on it. Let's see. This is the other account. Hold on. So let's click on first session. Click on summary. Okay, click on summary. So you see my balance was $100,000 before, it has increased. So the more trades you take, the more wins, the more losses. It will just be calculating automatically for you, and then you'll be able to test your strategy and build your confidence. Then the next thing is the journal. Okay, I wanted to show you the journal because that's really important. Okay, like I said, I mistakenly took the trade twice. I think I clicked on place trades 2 times. Remember when that thing didn't show? So the trade calculated twice, but it's supposed to be once. So it's going to show me everything. It's just like my journal. Because after taking a trade, you might not remember it again, but then the journal will tell you, okay, look at this trade just before it went to profit. Why don't I even take this trade again? Okay, uptrend, OB, covered significant low. Okay, that's something I can do for my real-time trading. So yeah, this is how you backtest. I hope you backtest, and I really look forward to the first one I did, not then the second one. Okay, I really look forward